Alright, now this is my second stunt. Sorry about the other video, it kind of just exited out on me. But I'm gonna show you my second stunt. And my second stunt, y'all are gonna flip because I'm actually a starter, so it's gonna be insane. Okay, let me see if y'all can see. No, hold up. Y'all can probably see it when I do it right here. No. Crap. Oh shoot. Let me see if y'all can see me doing the storm. Yeah, I think y'all can see that. Okay. Let me now just do it like that. Okay. Alright, see y'all in a minute. I'll be right back. Oh, God dang it. At least it was right in time. Whew. Bro, I hope y'all saw that. I hope y'all liked the vid. And that's my dirt bike. That's not all of it because I can't show all of it. My dirt bike went out of gas. So I've been riding it pretty much all day today. I'm probably not gonna ride it again since it's low on gas and it cannot carry. Well, like I'm done because my dad's gonna be picking me up soon. So I'm gonna end this vlog here and see y'all in the next one. Peace. Hold up, guys. Hold up, I forgot to have gloves on. Come on, this is my gloves, by the way. Oh, y'all can see. Sick. Alright.